Hey Matthew, Leith here from Wayne Phillips Kia. Mate, thanks for your inquiry on our Commodore. Just going to send you a little short video as I promised you. So, highlighting the tyres, the service history. Front tyres. As I said to you on the phone, all of our vehicles go through a 124 point check. They start at the front and they finish at the back. And whatever needs doing just gets done. So this is the outside. Rear tyres are in good condition as well. Thought I'd show you the boot area. As you can see, quite ample in heaps. Has a tow bar. Alright, so that's the outside. The inside, rear carpets, back seats. As you can see, mate, it's actually in really good condition. So I'll just come around to the driver's side. Driver's front seat, front mat area. As you can see, the vehicle's actually done 117,294 with 30 steering wheel controls. Bluetooth has been fitted to this car and it has cruise control. I'll just show you through and then I'll show you the service history. Front carpets. Sorry mate, it's a bit bright here today. Passenger seat, and as promised mate, just absolute, wherever you look, full service history, as well as we have serviced it, so it's not due till 135,000. Alright, so Matt, thank you so much for your inquiry. I will pop this off to you now. See ya.